All right, boys and girls, here we are. We have December Daily Math, Day 16. How many minutes are in 1 hour? 60. Okay? Write less than, greater than, or equal to 2 hundredths or 10 tens, which would be 10, and then you add a 0 as tens. 200 is greater than 100. Cookies at holiday party. There's chocolate chip, oatmeal, and sugar. How many more sugar cookies than oatmeal? Each cookie equals 1 cookie. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 7 cookies compared to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's two more. Eva put 7 gumdrops on each cupcake. How many gumdrops are on 3 cupcakes? 7, 14, 21. How many cookies are at the party in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? 6 plus 5 is 11. Plus 7 more is 18. How many cookies? 18 cookies. All right, boys and girls, there we are. We finished day 16 of our daily math.